Hello and welcome in CAD and 360 AutoCAD tutorials 2024 series. Today we are going to start the AutoCAD 2024 AutoCAD tutorial series. In this video we are going to overview what is the AutoCAD 2024. Okay, so this is the welcome window which will appear once you activate the AutoCAD command AutoCAD in your PC, and here you will find two options, open and new. Okay, and these are the recently opened file, so now we are not going to open this, and these are the panels which will active once you will activate the new or previous file. So click on this drop down, you will find these three options: open file, open sheet set, explore sample drawings. In new you will find browse template, get more templates online, and so on. So we directly open the new file and this window will appear. This is active AutoCAD 2024 window. This is a drawing area, and these are the command areas, panel areas, tab area, where you will find a relevant commands and options. Okay, so start from the top left corner. Here is a application icon, that is A of AutoCAD, and here you will find a small icon, drop down icon, and once you click on this you will find most useful and options here. By clicking on this you will open a new file, new drawing file. By clicking on this open, you will open previous files. You can save from here, you can save as from this option in various formats: import, export, publish, print, drawing utilities, and close. Exit the 2024 AutoCAD. So this is most used options while creating and closing the any program. And this is the quick access toolbar, and you can find similar options here which is available in this drop down. So this is new file, open, save as, and this is for web and mobile and so on, and this is for plot, undo, redo, and this drop down will show whatever the things you want in this quick access toolbar. If you want match properties, it will show match properties. Okay, if you use layer, it will show here layer. So whatever the thing you will select here, it will show in quick access toolbar. So we will undo this match property. Okay, this is the drawing 4. So this is appearing on this top of this software. Okay, this is a help area where you will you can search anything by typing and then press enter, and the help sections will appear. Okay, this is the ribbon area, or where this is the area where you will use mostly so much commands, options. This is the most useful area. Basically this is tabs, home tab, insert, annotate, parametric view, manage, and so on. And these are the groups, subgroups in relevant tabs. Under home tab you will find draw group, modify, annotate, layers, block, and so on, properties, utilities, and so on. And under this group draw drop down, you will find another or others options, commands. Okay, so most useful commands will appear in front of you, and the other commands related to that category will appear drop under this drop down. Okay, so these are most useful and most frequently used commands options. Okay. Sorry. This is the drawing area. This is the drawing area, and where you will draw anything. So we are drawing a line in this drawing area. So these are the grids. You can see the grid area, grid lines. You can close from here. Okay. um, if you want to open a new file, a new drawing, you can click on this plus icon, so this will open a new drawing. Okay, you can open multiple files from here. You can close from here also. Okay, so and now you can see here visual styles. So we are in a 2D drawing 2D drawing environment, so by default it is a 2D wireframe, and if we will switch in 3D environment, then we will require these types of options: shaded with edges, shaded with of gray, and so on. So for as of now we need 2D wireframe since we are in 2D environment. Okay. These are the UCS, and we are in 2D plane, so this is x-axis and y-axis. Okay, this is the command bar. This is a command bar. This is a command where you have to type command. If you type the command, you don't have to type all the command, full command. If you type any alphabet options and commands related to that alphabet will appear here. You only type L, and you can see the line, length, layer, layout line, all these commands appears above this. So if you want to select any of one, just click on this line, layer, length, anything. So we are going to select line, and this command bar or command command panel will show you what you have to do next. Once you activate the line command, now it is showing the command which is active now in bold. Here it is line command, and now it is showing what you have to do next. Specify the first point. So now we can click, and we will click one line, one point, and this is a starting point for this line. Now it is specifying, giving instruction to specify next point. Now we will specify the second point, then third point, and so on. This will continue till we press escape button, or we type C to close the the open area. So by pressing C, it will close the file, close the line. It will meet to the starting point. Okay, so and if you draw this line, okay, if you want to drag or move the file, so simply press middle mouse button and hold, and this pen icon will show you, and hold it and just drag in any direction, and this drawing will move in that direction. Okay. So if you want to right click, options will appear according to the selection. Okay, if you want to undo, if you want to pan, right click, exit, again right click. If you want to zoom, just zoom and zoom out, right click, exit. If you want to select, just move cursor, just place your cursor above the line, click on that line, left click, and then press right click, and then select properties. You can change the properties of that line. Okay, so this is the selection method. You can select the lines by clicking left click, and you can see here this is the selection method, and this rectangle box will select each and everything which it touches. Okay, so so you can see these two lines, red line and this line is selected by just placing that rectangle over it. Okay, so these two lines were selected. If you want to select, another way to select is by clicking left click and then moving cursor over the lines. If you want to select this red line, then you have to place this blue rectangle completely over this red line, then it will select. So this is the two method by which you can select anything in AutoCAD. This green rectangle area need only touching of that line or element or drawing which you want to select, and this blue area rectangle needs to completely encircle that element or rectangle, circle or anything. So these are the two methods by which you can select anything in AutoCAD drawing area. Now we are going to see what is this. This is basically a home icon which is used for 3D modeling. Once you click on this home icon, it is now in a 3D environment where you can see X, Y and Z axis. Okay, so this is our 2D plane, but it is in 2D wire environment, so we switch to it to shaded. Now you can use this to navigate in which direction you want to see the models. This is basically used for 3D modeling. Okay, X, Y and Z axis. Here you will use pan, zoom in, zoom out, 3D orbit. You are in 2D environment. If you want to switch to 3D environment, then here are the options in which you have to click on this workspace drop down, and you can see here we are in drafting annotation. So we are switching to 3D modeling. We have selected 3D modeling, and you can see the options, commands related to 3D modeling are showing in these panels. Okay, so complete environment is now changed. Okay, now you have options related to 3D modeling. We have a box, first point, second point, and this is, we are going to specify height. Now if you want to change the properties, select and change the color, that is green. This is a visual style. We are now in shaded. If we select 2D wireframe, then it will appears like this. If we select with edges, it will highlight the edges. So these are multiple options for visual style. We are in 3D environment, so we selected this realistic and this. Okay, click on anywhere on this cube and hold it and then rotate it. Now you can see left click and holding this and moving any direction, this whole complete area is rotating according to that. Now click on the home icon. If you want to switch to the view direction from top, and then you want to rotate, you can use these. Okay, front, left, back. So this way you can use this to navigate in 3D environment. These are the options, frequently used option: pan. Okay, this is zoom in, zoom out, 3D rotation. Just if you want to rotate, but use left mouse button and you can rotate. If you want to use continuous orbit, then click left click and then just okay, right click, exit, press home button. You can change here the options by selecting clicking on these three lines, and whatever the options you are noticing here that selected is appearing here. Okay, so you can select anything here. We are selecting dynamic input. Okay, so then dynamic input is now showing here. So if you want to close the grid is closed. So these are the various options you can use in AutoCAD. So this is the basic window structure of AutoCAD 2024. If you want to search anything related to the AutoCAD, and so click on this search bar and type anything. Just we like to box. Okay, then press enter. Now it is showing the various options and commands related to the box to work with the creating boxes, and you will find various helpful files and details related to box. If you select circle, press enter, it will show you the related articles and options information regarding the search item. Okay, so this way you can use AutoCAD. Now we are switching to the drafting and annotation. Click on this, click on top, activate the grid. Now switching to the 2D wireframe, selecting the 3D model, pressing enter. Okay, and here you can see the model. We are in modeling environment. This is layout 1, layout 2. This is used for plotting. So we have various types of options, commands, toolbars, palettes and methods to draw, modify, plot and use this AutoCAD software for our purpose in mechanical, electrical, electronics or architect, and whatever the field you want to use it. So in this video we are going to just know overview. So what we have learned till now is, this is our panel area, ribbon area, where we are finding so many useful command, frequently used commands. Okay, these are the tabs. Here we can add and close new files. These are the options we can find to open, close, save as, import, export, publish, close files. These are the quick access toolbars. This is the file name which is open right now. This is the help area where you can use you can type and find the relevant related to that articles in help section. These are navigation areas, navigation panels. Okay, these are the status area, this is ortho and so on, which will use full when we will draw anything. Okay, this is the command area and this is the drawing area. Okay, so that's all for this video. Now we are thankful for you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials. We are continuously making AutoCAD 2024 video tutorials. So if you want to follow these, please share, like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.